Welcome to our English lesson. In today's video, we will practice our listening and speaking skills and also learn some important vocabulary and expressions. So listen carefully. Our today's topics is Alex's day. Alex is a student with a day filled with various activities. Early in the morning, the alarm clock rings, and Alex starts the day with a big stretch. The sun is rising, signaling the beginning of a new adventure. After a refreshing shower, Alex enjoys a delicious breakfast with toast and jam. Then, it's time to put on the school uniform and gather all the necessary books and supplies in the backpack. Off to school. School is a place where Alex discovers new things. From math and science to art and language, each class is a chance to learn and grow. During breaks, Alex shares laughs and snacks with friends, creating lasting memories. Once the school day ends, Alex heads home. Homework awaits, but with determination, Alex tackles each assignment. After completing the tasks, there's time for hobbies. Maybe drawing, playing a musical instrument, or pursuing a favorite sport. Dinner is a special time when the family gathers around the table. They share stories, jokes, and sometimes even plan exciting activities for the weekend. After the meal, there might be some TV time or a board game with family members. As the day winds down, Alex settles into a cozy spot with a good book. It's a time to unwind and escape into different worlds. Finally, bedtime arrives, and Alex drifts off to dreamland, ready to embrace another day full of learning, fun, and the warmth of family. Like, share, and subscribe for more.